A boy observed that the moon sometimes appears as a crescent and at other times as a full circle. His teacher explained that this is due to the changing positions of the moon, earth, and sun. What phenomenon does this describe? Will this be letter A, lunar phases, letter B, solar eclipse, letter C, rotation of the earth, or letter D, revolution of the sun? What is your choice? Alright, so what is this? So sabi daw, may isang bata, okay, sometimes yung moon nakikita niyang crescent, yung shape ng moon, no? Pasi. Sometimes naman full moon siya, full circle siya. So the teacher explained that this is due to the changing positions, papalit-palit ng posisyon ang moon, earth, and sun. What phenomenon is being described here? Ang tumpak na choice po natin is letter A, lunar phases po ito. Kapag sinabi po nating lunar, moon po yan, no? So moon, ibig sabihin the phases of the moon, di ba? Sometimes crescent or half moon, first quarter moon, third quarter moon, sometimes full moon, sometimes new moon, no? So lunar phases po ang ating hinahanap, hindi po siya solar eclipse, rotation of the earth, or revolution of the sun, okay? Bago po natin puntahan ito, no, skip natin for now kasi meron po tayong item na patungkol dito later. What is the difference between your solar eclipse and lunar eclipse? Okay, mabilisan. Ano po yung ating acronym? Okay, so lunar is SEM and solar is MET. Sabi ni One Take LPT 2025. Now, so lunar, sun, earth, moon. And of course, when you have solar eclipse, it's sun, moon, earth. Okay, tandaan po yan, nalalabas po yan sa ating licensure exam. Okay,